Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make the outro logo in CapCut. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now inside your phone, you want to open any browser you have installed, and inside you want to go ahead and search for Panzoid. In here, you want to click panzoid.com. This website is where we are going to get our outro logo. You want to go ahead and click on Clip Maker. And from here, you can just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see the More Creations button. From here, you can then go ahead and choose any logos of your liking. If you don't like anything around this first page right here, you can just go ahead and keep scrolling down until you see what you like. Now take note that this website has tons and tons of templates, so you can just choose to any one of them inside the panzoid.com. So guys, in my case, I'll be choosing this specific logo right here. It has a green background, therefore we'll be able to edit this or integrate it into our video. I'll just go ahead and click on it. And once inside, you want to click on Open in Clipmaker 2. Inside Clipmaker, you want to head over to the hamburger icon or the 3 lines above the folder icon right here. And inside, you want to proceed by clicking on Objects. Now inside Clipmaker 2, you can then go ahead and adjust the view of the 3D logo right here. So we'll be able to edit this much smoother. Inside, you want to scroll down and you'll be able to see the text right here. You have your A, P, E, and Z. So we'll go ahead and edit this the way you want to. For example, I'll just go ahead and type TESTS right here, which stands for tests. So you can just go ahead and change the text for this templates inside Panzoid. In my case, my outro effect starts with T, so I'll just go ahead and type inside right here. You can just go ahead and change both of these text if you want to. And inside Panzoid, you can also go ahead and view the changes that you have made into the objects right here. So you can just go ahead and click on the play button in order to see the template inside Clipmaker 2. Now right after, of course, you can also go ahead and change the elements for this templates right here. For example, if you want to change the color of the first one right here, you could just go ahead and click on one of them, scroll all the way down, and we have the font inside this specific text properties. You have the size, height, and thickness. And if you scroll down long enough, you'll be able to see the color. You can just go ahead and choose any colors of your liking, and now as you can go ahead and see, we have turned our color into color blue. Once we have played this video, we will now be able to see the changes that we have made for these objects. Now basically, you can just edit this the way you want to, and right after, you want to download this specific video by clicking on the download button. Set the mode to good quality and click on Start Video Render. Now just wait for this to finish. As you can go ahead and see, this goes really fast, and right after, we are going to open up CapCut. Click on download your video, and now let's proceed by opening up CapCut. And inside your CapCut, you can just open up a new project and import the project that we have made earlier. Now right after, of course, you can go ahead and remove the background for this outro right here. For example, if you want to add your own character or your own background to this footage, you can just go ahead and do so. Now to remove the background of this specific video, you want to go ahead and click on the video right here. And inside, you want to look for the remove BG option, which is this one. Now right after, you want to click on chroma key. Click on color picker, and in here you want to touch the color green on the background. Now right after, you want to adjust the intensity for the chroma key, and now we will have the outro effect for our CapCut. So guys, the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and add a background for this specific video right here. So if you want to apply a background like this one, you can just go ahead and overlay the video that we have made in Panzoid. Click on overlay, add overlay, and from here you want to import the video that we have made. Click on add and you want to choose the chroma key once again. So you want to head to remove background, chroma key, color picker, and place the color picker in the color green, raise the intensity, and in that way we will be able to blend the background and the outro logo together. So once we hit the play button, we'll go ahead and get this result. So guys, the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and export this video, and in that way we will be able to get the outro logo effect here on CapCut. You can just go ahead and adjust the background the way you want to, or if you don't want to edit any background, you could just go ahead and get them from Panzoid. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.